In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Calendar in Gmail. By the end, your emails will seamlessly turn into calendar events, and you'll be able to create appointments right from your inbox with just a couple of clicks. First, open a web browser and head to calendar.google.com while signed into your Google account. Make sure you're using the same account you use for Gmail, so everything stays in sync. Once Calendar loads, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon to open the Settings menu. From the drop-down, choose Settings. This is where all your calendar preferences live, including how Gmail and Calendar talk to each other. In the Settings page, stay in the General section and scroll until you find Events from Gmail. Here, check the box that says, Show Events Automatically Created by Gmail in My Calendar. This enables Google Calendar to scan your Gmail for messages with event details, things like reservations, webinars, and meeting invites, and add them for you. A pop-up will appear to confirm. Click OK. From now on, qualifying emails will create events on your calendar without any extra work. If you ever change your mind, you can return to this exact spot and adjust the setting at any time. Keep in mind, it may take a moment for newly received emails to show up as events, and only emails with clear event information will be added. Next, let's create an event directly from Gmail when you want full control. Open Gmail and locate an email with event details, maybe a meeting invitation or a confirmation with a date and time. In the top right area of that email, click the three vertical dots to open the More menu. Select Create Event. This will open a new tab in Google Calendar with the event title, date, time, and description pulled from the email. Take a moment to review everything. Adjust the time zone if needed, refine the title, or add notes so future you remembers the context. When it looks right, click Save to add it to your calendar. That's it. You've enabled automatic event creation from Gmail, and you know how to turn any email into a polished calendar event in seconds. These two features work together to keep your schedule accurate and your inbox productive, without juggling tabs or copying details by hand. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more videos like these.